Hi, I'm Luke, and this is a football. And in a matter of minutes, you'll discover why this football is the secret to your breakthrough success in trading. And all of this will make perfect sense in just a matter of minutes. And once it clicks for you, your frustrating days of losing trades are over. You end up with a lot more of this. Watch this presentation until the end, and you will also discover how you can make more money trading without worrying if the market is going up, down, or sideways, and without being chained to your desk staring at a computer screen all day. How to remove the uncertainty of when to buy and sell without driving yourself crazy. Discover the two emotions you must avoid that are the trader's own worst enemy. I have no idea how long I'll keep this presentation online, or how long it will be free of charge to watch. So watch this now, while you still can. Perhaps you believe you've tried everything to consistently make money trading. Yet I can guarantee that you've never seen anything like what I'm about to reveal to you today. And one tip in particular will totally shock you. It's my absolute favorite, and it's near the end of this presentation, so keep watching. This will not only renew your hope, it will change the way you look at trading forever. Picture in your mind how much better your life will be once you finally have a thoroughly researched and tested trading method that wins over 80% of the time. First, I feel the need to share a story with you that frankly makes me look like an idiot when it comes to trading. You'll see why I was reluctant to even include this story in about a minute, so stay with me. Deal? Before we begin, let me assure you, I wasn't always this go-to guy when it comes to trading. In fact, I was anything but. I remember this as if it were yesterday. It was Wednesday, May 7th, 2003, at 2:30 in the afternoon. It was a very cloudy and gloomy day. I was at my desk staring at my computer screen and talking with Jason, who was a trader at Goldman Sachs. I was in the Chicago office of an asset management firm where I worked. I was feeling sluggish and tired from the night before. I stayed up late to finish a research paper for graduate school. It dawned on me that I was a terrible trader and that it simply wasn't going to get any better unless I took action, just like you're about to today. However, even though I knew I was ready for a change, I needed one more thing to really push me over the edge and get me to move from being a terrible losing trader to a happy, successful trader. I finished up the conversation with Jason and hung up the phone. I turned my chair away from my desk and stood up to walk to a meeting. My phone started ringing. I went to grab my phone and knocked over that football on my desk. I answered, and it was my stockbroker. I immediately pulled up my positions on my computer to take a look, and guess what I saw? Ugh, more losses. The NASDAQ was down over 1% that day, and of course, I was long. This wasn't just another losing trade. The voice on the phone was the margin department. He was telling me I didn't have enough money to hold on to the position overnight, and they sold the position. I had been forced out of the trade, and my account balance was near zero. I couldn't believe it. All of the research, all of the different ways to trade, all of the different technical indicators, the Bollinger Bands, the moving averages, the stochastics, RSI, you name it, I had tried it. And the latest holy grail I was trading was based on chart patterns. head and shoulders, wedges. This was it. This was my wake-up call. The money in my account was gone. I felt like I had hit rock bottom and that I had failed to live up to the expectations of everyone who loved me. I made a vow to myself. I will get this trading thing handled or I will die trying. I promised myself I'd spend at least 2 hours a day, no matter what, learning to trade profitably. This was after the thousands of hours I had already invested in learning to trade. Eventually, I uncovered a secret. And today, I'm going to reveal it to you. Just keep watching. Remember, despite my success today, I'm really no different than you. I'm just a guy who stumbled upon a really effective trading strategy. This is a trading strategy that allows people like us to experience a life free from staring at your computer screen all day, to have prosperity and happiness in your life and in the lives of those you love the most, and experience the excitement of watching your trading profits and your bank account consistently grow year after year. This is the system I've used to dramatically outperform the S&P 500 over the past 8 years and have positive returns every single year, even during the financial crisis. And it's the exact same trading method I'll be sharing with you today, so you can finally experience results like these for yourself. And I'll share all the specifics with you in just a moment. But first, I must warn you about the real problem you face today. This is the invisible villain behind why trading is so difficult, and it is keeping you from achieving success. And this is why it is very challenging to make money trading in the first place. It is not your fault, although after you see this, you will know it's your responsibility to take action. The real problem is the fact that you've been lied to for years, and these lies are keeping you from achieving success in your trading. You may have heard or perhaps even believed at one point that you have to be chained to your desk watching your computer screen all day in order to make big money trading. What a load of nonsense. Please, if you've ever believed this, stop right now. I'll explain why in a moment. Just know this. Countless other smart men and women have fallen victim to this rather clever lie, yet you have to lay it aside right now. If you don't, you'll be miserable watching every tick on your computer screen trying to figure out that elusive secret to consistent profits. Here's one of the lies that angered me the most: that the hotshot economists at giant Wall Street banks know if the market will be going up or down in the next year. They act as if they have some sort of inside information and know what is going to happen. That's absolute bull. If you're one of the millions that have fallen victim to this lie, then you need to decide now to accept the truth, because they don't know. If you don't accept the truth, what is going to happen the next time the market takes another big fall? Listen, we both want more for you than this, right? Of course, so keep watching. Your struggles and challenges with trading are directly due to this, which is why it's not your fault. However, it is now your responsibility. Fair? If you really want to blame someone for your struggles with trading, then don't blame yourself. Blame the Wall Street banks. After all, you've been bombarded for years by false, misleading claims from these crooks. And these Wall Street banks are counting on your suffering and confusion to earn a profit. Scumbags. All that misinformation spread by Wall Street is enough to confuse the smartest person alive, and it confused me for years. Here is a headline from December 21st, 2007. Business Week 2008 forecasters expect further gains. These were the forecasters from the biggest and best Wall Street banks: Goldman Sachs, Lehman Brothers, Bank of America, Merrill Lynch. Do you know what the consensus forecast was going into 2008? How much would the S&P go up for 2008? The study followed 15 strategists from the top Wall Street banks. The truth is, the best and brightest on Wall Street predicted an average rise in the S&P 500 of 9.18%. What really happened in 2008? The S&P 500 lost a shocking 37% that year and wiped out an astounding $6.9 trillion in shareholder wealth. The truth is that you should never rely on the Wall Street gurus to predict where the market might go next. Why? As you saw in 2008, the wise strategists were incredibly wrong. When the market begins to change trends, it can be very fast and lead to violent moves. Plus, your emotions of greed and fear then become a great enemy in attempting to make investing decisions. Legendary investor Warren Buffett likes to say, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." This sounds great in theory, but psychologically, this is incredibly difficult and challenging in the heat of the moment. Now that you know the problem, that your trading has been held back for years due to these lies, it's time to dig in and rise above the lies using these 3 tips I have for you today. These exact tips were my personal investing goldmine, leading me to the success I have today and the success you will have. The most important of these tips is my objective method of trading to eliminate emotions from the trading process. I'll go into the specifics of removing emotions from trading in just a second, so by all means, keep watching. First, you absolutely need to understand what you must avoid in order to trade successfully. Actually, this is going to surprise you. Most people think the experts that write in the Wall Street Journal or show up on CNBC have incredible inside information. And they can have some good insights. However, they almost always have a vested interest in seeing the market go higher. Most of these Wall Street banks have friendly relationships with the big corporations. When these corporations need loans or want to issue bonds, where do they turn? Of course, they see their friends on Wall Street. Do you think the banks want to turn around and say anything negative about these big corporations, their best clients that bring in the most money? That might damage their relationships, and then those huge fees they charge go to another bank, one of their competitors. It is in everyone's best interest to be positive and upbeat. You scratch my back, and I'll scratch yours. I want you to avoid listening to these so-called experts. This is just until you get your investing on track. It's not forever, so don't worry. Simply replace the opinions with facts. Start watching the actual price action. Doing this one thing will allow you to filter out the noise and begin to see what is actually taking place right in front of your eyes. Imagine you make this small change, and soon you're not hearing the conflicting opinions. You're only seeing actual facts. There could be thousands of reasons why the price went up or down today, but the only thing that matters is what the price actually did. You'll never have to depend on experts who have ulterior motives. You'll never have to try and sort out all the different opinions and try to make sense of it again. Not to mention, you'll begin to see how prices actually move and how human behavior is captured in the price movement. Enjoying the journey is the key to staying on the path, and this simple strategy will get you there fast. Now, how would you like to actually enjoy trading ETFs knowing the odds are heavily in your favor? If you take advantage of understanding how top traders operate, you'll have a blast while you enjoy a lot more time away from trading. What are the common traits among top traders? The first common trait is they tend to hold stocks for a few days. They do not sit at their desk watching tiny moves minute by minute or hour after hour. By discovering how to actually enjoy this process, you'll be relaxed while you swing trade. Enjoying trading starts here. Simply understand that these top traders are able to have a clear plan and relax. This is very important. All you need to do is have a trading plan that is tailored to a holding period of a few days and make sure you are able to follow that plan. Thinking like this about swing trading allows you to have more free time in your life and more money in your account. Just imagine what your life will look like when swing trading becomes something you enjoy. You'll never have to be chained to your desk, staring at your computer again. Not to mention the steady profits from trading. Enjoying the journey is the key to staying on the path, and this simple strategy will get you there fast. And it gets even better. Here comes my really big, massive, crucial tip. Warning, without using this tip, you can forget about those other tips I just shared with you. This tip is that crucial. It's the tactic behind all success in trading because it allows you to comfortably follow your trading plan while getting the results you desire. This is the tip that will allow you to be relaxed and enjoy the ride. Get this. As you near effortlessly move toward winning investing. This is a powerful swing trading method. The best of the best use this strategy, and now so will you. Here's how it works. It is crucial to your trading success that you understand the role of emotions in making decisions. There is a very familiar phrase on Wall Street, buy the dips. It means to buy on weakness or pullbacks. That is easy enough to understand, but do you do that after one down day or two? How much should the price go down before it is time to buy? And when prices are down, there are usually lots and lots of reasons. Bad economic numbers were announced, or there is trouble in the Middle East. There's always lots of reasons people point to when the market goes down. When this happens, fear and doubt creep into your mind. What if we go down more? Is this a dip or a change in trend? What's going on? You can have the best logic in the world for buying and selling stocks, but if you don't have a way to manage your emotions, it will mean nothing. Greed and fear play a critical role in how you make decisions. The blueprint you'll be given access to in a few minutes will expound on this tip, allowing you to win at the trading game. Having an objective and measurable plan that allows you to buy on weakness during uptrends and to sell on strength during downtrends, that is a massive tip top traders use that is critical to their success. This is the bedrock foundation of my entire strategy. It's what will give you a lifetime of successful trading. Just imagine what your life will feel like when you master my technique on managing your emotions and understanding when to buy and sell. You will forever leave behind the frustrations you've no doubt experienced when it comes to winning investing. All those frustrations end today. Not only that, you may call up a few friends to talk about trading. They will marvel at you. How on earth can you be having so much success trading and you are so relaxed and enjoying it all? And all this is happening in your life simply because you now know the formula. These proven success tactics and so much more are yours for the taking starting today. I think you'll agree that I covered some really valuable tips on investing with you today, and I feel you may be a bit overwhelmed with it all, which is totally understandable. All this really means is that you have two simple choices to make right now. Choice one, you can take all the tips and info I just gave you and try to put the puzzle pieces together on your own without assistance. And who knows, you may get lucky and one day see some progress. It will take longer, of course, and you'll make a lot of painful mistakes, but you can choose this path. Or you can take choice number two, the savvy choice, the choice most everyone takes who is ready for trading success. The easiest and fastest way humanly possible to experience the trading success you deserve. Why go at this alone when I've already done all the work for you? There's no need to scratch your head in frustration, guessing your way to halfway there, because I've already created the ideal system for you. Hi, I'm Luke for Alpha Omega Trading. Between the founders, we have 30 years of combined experience on Wall Street. We have created the Alpha Omega Trading Advisory. Alpha Omega is a trading advisory service that is consistently profitable in up, down, and sideways markets. It is very convenient and removes emotions from investment decisions. This radically simple yet effective trading system will work for you, even if you have no experience trading, you are pinched for time, you have tried other newsletter services, or even if you think you've tried everything. Now, let me tell you what Alpha Omega Trading is not, just so you know exactly what you're about to experience. This is not yet another holy grail technical indicator of trading, or Wall Street banks pushing the stocks of companies they want you to buy because somebody is paying them to say it. This is not some magical solution that promises you something silly like, oh, you'll have 500% returns every year or something ridiculous like that. You've been lied to enough. It's time for a solution that works without gimmicks. Isn't it time to start using what's proven to work? Alpha Omega Trading is the direct result of over 10 years of study and years of digging through the trenches to find what really works. Our passionate research revealed specific patterns that truly successful traders use that virtually is hidden from the public. And now, starting right now, you can share in their success too. The successful patterns I studied and successfully duplicated give you the freedom to reap the benefits of peace of mind and convenience, all while setting yourself up for trading success and allowing you to finally achieve the growing bank account you absolutely deserve. Before we go one step further, I need to be 100% honest with you. If you're just after some holy grail technical indicator, or if you just want another overpriced newsletter service that recommends 12 stocks per year and then talks about the one or two picks that worked and magically forgets about their other 10 recommendations, or some other complicated trading service that you already know will never work, then do us both a favor and just forget all about alpha omega trading, because it's not going to give you impossible results, just consistently solid results. Alpha omega is not pie in the sky fantasyland nonsense. It's the real deal. And it's only for folks like you who are really serious about their investing. What I've done is made alpha omega trading as easy as humanly possible. So while trading isn't easy, nothing worthwhile is. This makes it more of a snap. So if you're wanting the real answer to trading, here's what you can and should expect alpha omega trading to deliver. If you want to consistently make money trading, enjoy seeing ETFs follow similar patterns that have historically won over 80% of the time. Put an end to being chained to your desk watching every tick in the market, and get the trading results you desire without sacrificing your entire lifestyle to do it. Then the Alpha Omega trading service isn't just a solution for you. It's the only system for you. Let's take a look at what's included when you subscribe to Alpha Omega Trading. Each day, 30 minutes before the markets close, you will receive specific trade recommendations. This includes the exact ETFs to buy or sell to start making money consistently. When you subscribe, you will discover the exact money management strategy that gives you the best odds of success and balances risk and reward. You will receive the recommendations that are so easy to understand, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner, intermediate, or someone who has been trading for years. You'll also have access to a unique strategy that top traders use to consistently outperform the S&P 500 index in all types of markets, up, down, or sideways. This service will keep you on the side of the trend, so you always have the wind at your back. You simply cannot get this anywhere else. If you're looking for the easiest trading service on the planet to follow, then you've probably already figured out that Alpha Omega Trading is the answer, as it allows you access to hedge fund quality research delivered to your email address at the same time every day, preventing you from staring at data all day and allowing you greater lifestyle freedom. And the results come fast too. Just have a look. In 2008, that really jumps off the page, where the market just got clobbered. Alpha Omega strategy made 539%. And in a more regular year, like last year, 2014, S&P 500 had a very good year, 13.7%. Alpha Omega strategy returned 51.3%. And that gives you freedom. Now, you may believe that a service that can do all that and much more will cost a pretty penny. And in all honesty, it really should. Since this one service has the potential to revolutionize the trading results of men and women just like you, I'll get to the price in just a few moments. First, I want to share a few specific perks this done-for-you system can give you. Unlock the power of being on the right side of the trend so the wind is always at your back. You'll discover the emotions you absolutely must avoid at all costs in order to see the results you desire. You'll also discover the exact trades using a method that has won over 80% of the time, which makes an investing an absolute blast. I've proved that investing can and should be enjoyable, and I want to share those secrets with you too. The price of a subscription to Alpha Omega Trading sold by itself is valued at $1,200 per year. However, just for watching this presentation today, I have a much better deal coming your way, so keep watching because it won't last much longer. Of course, you could choose to continue down the path you're on right now. and end up spending 10, 20, even 100 times more than the investment you'll make today in alpha omega trading on other newsletters and books. And then there's the cost of missed trading profits, your time, and all that frustration that is if you continue as you are without taking action. And neither of us see that in your future, right? Listen, I'm ready to make this a no-brainer decision for you today, okay? I feel you deserve to know why I'm offering you such a massive discount today. Let me share my vision with you. It's a cause I'm inviting you to join today, along with thousands of others who are ready to make money investing, enjoy the convenience, and replace that nasty, health-draining stress that comes from worrying about money with peace of mind and happiness. And above all, share that new life with the world. A few years ago, I set an inspiring goal. I dedicated myself to helping at least 100,000 men and women consistently trade profitably for life. Helping 100,000 people reach their financial dreams. That is a lot of lives changed. Can you imagine it? How much joy would that create? How many families would be so much happier? The bottom line, I decided that I need to let as many men and women into this cause as possible for the benefit of everyone. A cause I will call Lift 100,000 People to Financial Freedom. The good news? That means a much lower price for you today because frankly, I want you to join my cause and I refuse to let finances stop you. Make sense? That means you will not be paying the retail value of $1,200 to Trading Made Simple today. Not even close. So your investment today will not be $1,200. It's not even going to be $750. Your total investment today for the 1-year subscription to Alpha Omega Trading, one payment of $499. Have a look below this video right now. Click on the red button that says click here to purchase your Alpha Omega subscription today for only $4.99. Listen, don't decide right now. Take advantage of my unconditional triple guarantee. I want you to try Alpha Omega Trading on me for a full 60 days. If you do not see consistent winning trades in those 60 short days, or if you do not have more time and peace of mind around your trades in the first 60 days, or, hey, even if you don't like the way I look, if you're not 100% satisfied in every way, I'll gladly refund your purchase price. No questions, no hassles. Look below this video right now. Scroll to the bottom of the screen, click on the red button that says click here to purchase your Alpha Omega subscription today and lock in your discounted price now. Remember, it's not just a fantastic bargain you'll be receiving today. You'll be joining in on the huge cause in trading and investing. You'll be part of an ever-growing lifestyle-friendly trading community. And you'll even make some wonderful new friends along the way, like-minded folks like you who are dedicated to trading success. For instant access to everything, click on the red button at the bottom of the screen that says, click here to purchase your Alpha Omega subscription today. Here's what will happen the moment you click the red Add to Cart button below this video. First, you'll be taken to our 100% secure checkout page, which looks like this. Choose the subscription package you would like and click Sign Up. Fill in your name, address, and payment information following the instructions on the page. Finally, you arrive at our secure members area. Finally, you'll arrive at our secure members area, which looks like this. It's that simple. Remember, you've been struggling with your trading far too long, and the pain of continuing without taking action will only lead to more despair, more frustration, and continued lousy returns and lower bank balances. Yet, all of this can be avoided beginning today simply by applying the step-by-step trading principles found in your subscription to Alpha Omega Trading. Imagine right now how it will feel the moment you know you finally found your answer to trading. You're brimming with excitement, full of hope and optimism. You see and experience your successful trading happening today. You are experiencing the financial freedom you deserve at long last. Yes, it's true. Your trading up until today has largely been no fault of your own. Yes, you've been told a pack of lies in the past about trading from either crooks or well-intentioned but misinformed folks. The latest and greatest technical indicators that you may have tried. And who can forget all those false promises other Wall Street trading experts made to you that never stood up to the light of day? However, today marks your day to take responsibility. Yet, unlike all those phony investing solutions, this one is guaranteed to work for you. I'm asking you right now to just try Alpha Omega Trading for 60 full days on me. Either you are thrilled with your trading or you pay nothing. Plus, I never leave you hanging. Either myself or my friendly support team will get back to you quickly with any questions you have, so you'll always feel taken care of. Immediately after you buy today, you need to go here, the members area, to see the latest trade recommendations. Read the latest trade recommendations so you can dive in ASAP and get started seeing results. This page helps you get off on the right foot so you can see the trade recommendations and be on your path to success. Just do not put this off 1 second longer, and here's why. First, as you'll recall, I lowered the price of your subscription to Alpha Omega Trading for you by over 50%, just so you can get in today. Yet, eventually, I'm going to have to increase the price back to retail where it deserves to be. So act now before that happens. And let's remember, unless you take action now, today, you may never take action. You may do what so many others do and put it off, for a few more days, which turns into months or even years. So let's make sure you get what you really want and do the only smart thing you can do. Take advantage of this limited time offer while you still can. And wisely get on the right path today to consistently winning trading using this simple, proven, step-by-step strategy. You still there? If you're still watching, I bet you have some questions. Here are the most common questions I receive about subscribing to Alpha Omega Trading and the answers to help you out. If I am new to trading, will I understand the service? You will easily understand the recommended actions. We show you buy and sell recommendations at the close of each day. We also teach you the money management techniques that we have used for years in very simple step-by-step instructions. Is it really convenient, or do I have to be watching for alerts all the time? You will receive an email 30 minutes before the close of each trading day. This will have updates to current trades and any actions that are recommended. It is very easy and convenient. What happens if my link doesn't work? We have a support team and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. For instant access to everything, click on the red button that says click here to purchase your Alpha Omega subscription today, now.